how to screen record on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to easily screen record on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to swipe down the notification bar from the right to access the control center. And then here you can see a circle with a dot. So you just have to tap on it to start the recording process. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want the mic access, then you just have to long press on it, and then you can see that the microphone has red on it. So if it's red, then microphone is on. And if you tap on it, microphone will be off. And to stop recording, then just tap on stop recording. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.